Hey guys, Hector Jenkins back again, and as promised, we are touching on logical operators today. Now, I have prepared a slide. Now, this video will mainly be covering and as well as or. Gets difficult if you say and or and, so we'll cover and as well as or, and not we'll cover in a future video. So let's start with and. So I've got a program prepared here. So let's just go through it. We've got three variables. We've got money set to 500, cost set to 400, and in stock. Actually, to start with, I want that to be true. So we're running a condition using an and. Now, if money is greater than or equal to cost, now in this case it is 500 and 400, so this first part is true. So we then test the second part, in stock, which is also true. Now, a lot of people think this looks strange, which I can understand, so you might think it should be in stock equals true, but that is at best redundant, because what you're really saying there is true equals true, which obviously it always is, so you don't need to do that, so you just leave it as in stock. And that is true because we have set it to true. So we're going to run the program and we should get this, and the else statement obviously won't run, but let's just run it to confirm. What did I call it? Logic.py. So we can buy the ivory back scratcher, not a real one, obviously. Okay, so let's change things up a bit. Let's set the cost to 600. So what will happen now is this will be evaluated and it will be false. Now, how things work there are we don't even need to evaluate this, because regardless of whether in stock is true or false, because this is false, the whole shooting match is false. So we'll go straight and run the else clause. But again, let's just confirm that and we get you're out of luck. And just for completeness, let's make them both false. But like I say, the in stock isn't even going to be evaluated here. But just to confirm, we get the same result. And we do. Wonderful. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to comment out this section of the program. Now, I don't know if I mentioned this in previous videos, but you can do this certainly in Sublime Text, and I think in most editors by Control and /, and anything that's highlighted will be commented out. And similarly, same shortcut, you can uncomment a block of code. So to observe or in action, got a couple of variables here, ill set to true and apocalypse set to false. Now, because one of these is true, we're going to get this running, best stay home today. And again, because this first one is true, it doesn't even need to evaluate this one. So let's run this. I think I better save it first. And we get best stay home today. Right, let's just change things up. So we get the other message here. So now they're both false. And we're going to get, yay, you get to go to work today. Now, in these examples, we only have two simple conditions. We could have as many as we like. So with and, if we've got 100 conditions, if 99 of them are true and one is false, then the whole thing is false. And with or, if we've got 99 false simple conditions and one true condition, then the whole thing is true. So that's how these two things work out. So I think that'll just about do it for this video. We will cover the not in a future video very soon indeed. So thanks again for joining me, and I really do hope that you join me again for the next one. Thank you.